Chapter: Cooking and Eating. We eat different kinds of food. Some are eaten raw and some are cooked before eating. Food items like cucumber, radish and carrot can be eaten raw, while some like ladyfinger, potato and meat need to be cooked. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. Cooking also kills the germs in the food. Some food items last longer when they are cooked. Remember that food should neither be overcooked nor be undercooked. Cooking can be done in a number of ways depending on how we want to eat it. Following are some ways of cooking food. Baking. Baking requires an oven. It is a method of cooking sweet and savory food items in direct heat of the oven. Cake, pastries and biscuits are baked in ovens. Frying. Frying requires food to be cooked in hot boiling oil or butter. When we put a small amount of oil or ghee, it is usually called shallow frying. When the food is completely dipped into the oil, we call it deep frying. Pakoras, cutlets, purees, French fries etc. are cooked by this method. It is usually done in a frying pan or a wok, kadhahi. Roasting. Roasting is a slow process. Roasting is done by putting the food directly over a fire. Roasting can be done in a tandoor or an oven. Chicken, meat, vegetables and fish are eaten roasted. Grilling. When food is cooked directly over intense heat, we call it grilling. It cooks food faster. The food is put on an iron grid or electrically heated grill bars. Boiling. When we cook food in hot water, it is called boiling. Potatoes, noodles, pulses, vegetables, rice and macaroni are boiled in pans. Steaming. Steam of boiling water is also used to cook food. Food is cooked in water vapor with or without pressure. Idli and dhokla are cooked by steaming. Different food items need to be cooked in different utensils. Different types of utensils are used for cooking. Utensils can be made of metals like stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminium, wood, plastic, clay, iron etc. Types of heating sources. A fuel is the basic need for cooking. People use different types of heating sources to cook food. Let us look at these heating sources and the fuel used in each of them. Tips for better cooking. Cooking is an art. It should be done properly. Both overcooking and undercooking should be avoided. Let us study about some important tips which must be kept in mind when we cook food. Before cooking, wash vegetables before cutting them. Soak pulses in water for 1 or 2 hours before cooking. This saves our fuel. Rice and pulses should not be washed again and again. This will wipe away their nutrients. Cook food in clean utensils. While cooking, wash your hands before cooking. Keep all the items ready before igniting the stove. Use a pressure cooker for cooking rice, pulses, meat and vegetables. If you are using a pan or kadhahi, cover it with a lid. Neither overcook nor undercook the food. After cooking, keep the food covered. Keep the leftover food in a refrigerator. Eating together in a family. Family members should eat at least one meal together. It gives sense of togetherness. In families, most of the members eat the same kind of food. Sometimes, separate food is cooked for some members of a family like older people, sick people and babies etc.